Mom! Guaranteed for life?
Hello?
What, Mary?
Who's this from?
I can't read that far.
Oh!
To Brian from Sonia. Chris, say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
What'd you get, Brian?
Socks?
Show us what else you got, hon.
What?
Show us what else you got.
Hey.
That's to
I
Dad.
got a weather station that actually tells you the weather forecast. And I got Borat DVD, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, Joe Dirt,
Dumb.
and
Not dumb.
underwear because I ripped mine, and new sheets because I ripped them off my tongue. And pants because I blew out the bottom.
The crotch. There seems to be a pattern with you, Brian.
Yeah.
Daddy has lots of presents to open.
Okay, Mary, show us what you got.
Of what?
What presents did you get? No, what did you already open?
No!
Yeah.
Why?
Ooh.
What is it, Brian?
It's curtain thingy dingies, dingleberry dingles. For windows.
Yay.
No?
So we can
No,
take
that's my cotton candy.
so we
That's
can take the
gross.
mini blinds down.
Look!
They're actually for the game room.
Hey!
They're going
Look what I got.
Did you just yell hand?
Yeah. Look,
cool.
look, Dad.
Look for today.
Dad, look. Fine, don't. Oh.
Ooh. Cool. So we got for both windows.
Just for the sliding glass door.
I wonder
Oh,
what.
That's mine. That's mine.
Who's this from?
Is that a gun?
That's from Grandma. That's for Dad.
What?
That's from Grandma.
From who? From who?
Grandma.
From who?
For Dad. Don't open that in the house. Oh, you're getting bad luck now. You're gonna scare Squeaky. Stop.
Who's gonna open this?
Chris, open the big present. Chris, open the big present. Did you break it already?
Maybe. Perhaps. Possibly.
Just give it to me.
Oh, look what I got.
Chris, open the big present.
Look.
Oh yeah.
So this is what was on the doorstep that
What is it, Chris? What is it?
Yay!
A new
What speed
computer.
is the processor?
I don't know.
Hmm.
I'll set that baby up.
What else did you get, Brian? Open up
I'm
another.
opening socks.
Okay, open another present. How many pairs of socks did you get?
I got enough to last me for 15 years.
Wait, what? Hey,
Look. I got another movie.
let me see. Yay!
And this movie too.
Yay!
Dad, look, I got another movie.
Cool!
Hey,
Night vision goggles!
Are you joking?
Dad. I got another movie.
Let me see what it is, Brian.
Night vision goggles.
Stop.
Dad, look. I got another movie.
All dogs go ahead. That's a good one.
Mary.
Is this from you, Dad?
Let me see it, man. To Brian.
Don't break it.
Yay, coffee mugs for Brian.
These are crazy.
Those are like high tech. You might want to keep the directions.
Keep the direct.
First coffee mug?
How long
Or
are
you'll
you
just-
gonna point that thing at me?
Don't point at me.
What is that, Chris?
Okay.
For a new camera. Mary, what did you get? Mary got slippers and pajamas just like I did.
Oh, look what I
I got warm, long sleeve shirts so I don't freeze my butt off.
got.
Yay.
Lipstick and lotion.
I don't know if that one
Yay.
will fit in here.
Cool.
Let me see.
No, I'm recording.
Hey, Dad, look what I got.
We can try
Hey,
it
Dad.
later. Is that the pouch for this?
Oh, wow.
It'll fit.
Okay. Good luck. Here you go.
I want you to hand that to Chris and let him record.